This is part 2 of the DBA questions videos. This one will be more directed towards the technical aspect of the questions, and I have a few answers to these questions. Although there could be more than one of the answer to these questions, this is hopefully a good start. Question 1. What is a clustered index in SQL Server? Answer. A clustered index in SQL Server determines the physical order of data in a table. Each table can only have one clustered index, and it dictates how data is stored on the disk. Question 2. What is the difference between a clustered index and a non-clustered index? The answer is a clustered index determines the physical order of data within a table, while a non-clustered index doesn't affect the physical order and creates a separate data structure for faster data retrieval. Question 3. What is data normalization in a database design? Answer. Normalization is the process of organizing databases to minimize data redundancy and improve data integrity by breaking down tables into smaller, related tables and eliminating redundant data. Question 4. What is the purpose of SQL Server primary key constraints? Answer. Primary key constraints enforce uniqueness of columns or a set of columns in a table, and it also ensures that the specified columns cannot contain null values. Question 5. What is the difference between an inner join and a left join? The inner join returns only matching rows for both tables, while left join returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. Question 6. Explain ACID properties in the context of SQL Server transactions. Answer. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. These properties ensure the database transactions are reliable and maintain data integrity even in the face of failures. Question 7. How can you prevent SQL injection in SQL Server? Answer. To prevent SQL injection, you can use parameterized queries or prepared statements. These techniques ensure user inputs are treated as data and not as executable code. What is the purpose of a SQL Server index and how does it impact performance? Answer. An index is a database object that enhances data retrieval speed by providing a faster way to look up rows based on the values of certain columns. Properly designed indexes can significantly improve query performance. Question 9. What is a store procedure in SQL Server? Answer. A store procedure is a precompiled collection of one or more SQL statements that can be executed as a single unit. These are stored on the server and can be called by applications to perform specific tasks. Question 10. What is the difference between a view and a table in SQL Server? Answer. A table stores data physically, while a view is a virtual table created by a query. Views can simplify complex queries, restrict access to certain columns, and provide an abstraction layer over the data. So there you have it. If this video was helpful and you'd like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe and consider commenting on what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future.